Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're talking about something that trips up so many beginners, finishing your jewelry. You've strung your beautiful beads, and now you're staring at two loose ends wondering, okay, now what? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to finish any piece with confidence. Let's start with jump rings. These little metal circles are your best friend for attaching clasps, charms, and closures. The trick is never pulling them open side to side like a chain link that weakens the metal and leaves a gap that won't close properly. Instead, use two pairs of pliers and twist one side toward you and the other away, like you're opening a little gate. To close it, just twist back until you feel and hear that satisfying click. Next up, clasps. There are so many sweet options for beginners. Lobster clasps, toggle clasps, magnetic clasps. Lobster clasps are wonderful because they're secure and easy to use with one hand. Toggle clasps have such a lovely decorative look and work great on sturdier designs. And magnetic clasps are perfect if you're making something for someone with arthritis or limited grip strength, though I'd steer beginners away from them for bracelets since they can pop open more easily. To attach your clasp, simply slide it onto a jump ring, then attach that jump ring to the last bead or crimp on your design. Give it a gentle tug to make sure everything's secure before you call it done. And that's it. You've officially finished a piece of jewelry. It feels like such a small step, but it's the difference between something that looks handmade with love and something that falls apart in a week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the full playlist on the home page. Beadwork for Beginners. A gentle masterclass in craft, color, and calm creation.